Hindi kasi di ba namatay yung ilaw kanina sa bagong post mo?
Ayun.
So bumukas na.
Okay, okay. Ano nang kakanay natin?
Karaoke session na po. Hinahanap ko talaga
Karaoke session na namin. Na-miss nyo ba kami, guys? Mag-ingat!
Alam mo, saktong-sakto, voice.
Uy!
Baka magkaroon ng expectation.
Uy!
Baka may para ma-pressure siya.
Oh, ganyan kay Jen.
I-press release ka na
Hoy!
Hindi
ako yun, si Katie yun.
Sumabay na naman po siya. Akala ko. Ang blooming mo daw, ang glooming ko.
Oh, thank you so much.
Galing, diba?
Uy, parang kitang naantay, parang stage mom.
Galing-galing mo, Nakshi. Nakita mo yung mga Ano ba yan?
Ikaw.
Alay. Ang ganda nito last time nung kinanta mo yun.
Oh my God!
Uy, ayun na yung dahil dyan, kantahan siya. Nanginginom, nalaman ba natin? Sa ulan, parang ulan nung go chill. Don't let this feel.
Hindi ko masyado ano yun, B eh.
Talaga ba?
I'm always on your side.
Sumasabay lang.
I'll listen very eagerly, but then you'll never see this feeling of emptiness makes me feel sad. And again, then again. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat sa na nandito at nakikita kayo sa amin.
Yes.
Happy Sunday, everybody.
Yes, and that's only her first song.
Wow.
There's more to come, so guys, stay tuned because, yeah, we'll sing for you. We'll make your Sunday night an extraordinary night. Extraordinary night. Paano?
Hindi mo siya ano eh. Okay. Looking through the eyes.
Uy, thank you!
Thank you. I miss myself. Ikaw yan. Hindi ko alam ano lang ang chorus lang ako, be. I do believe that some love. Ikaw talaga. Kaya mo.
Beside me.
Yarn. Lakas mo kante. Hindi mo maintindihan. Every second of the day, I dream of you in the most special way. Happy birthday to my birthday today.
Pag inakala ko may Sprite, sige, bakit puro alis na ka na lang sa akin? Shake man mo, baka may...
Bawas na.
Pure, di ba? Pure water,
naman.
pure distilled. Talaga ba?
Gusto mong dalawin
Ano
ko siya?
nagasama?
Dalawin ko.
Sige, sige. Parang Shuro Bells eh.
Parang ano, puro
Closer you and I.
gatas.
Ito to air.
Sige, sige. sis.
Tagahan tayo ng
Tagapagbigay ng karaoke, taga-set up.
Ay, through the years.
Sige, pwede.
Watch us and listen to me. Oh, I swear it can be anything I know. Need someone so through the years it turns to me. I need more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. Always been so glad to be with you through the years. Better every day. You kiss my tears away.
Oh, mali. Oh, mali. Mali. Mali.
Ano ba?
Mali. Mali ang dance mo.
Can't find no words to let you know, but you can be sure. Like you can take your pretty eyes away from me. But I don't want to say, but every time you come too close, I'll move away. I wanna live in everything that you say, 'cause it's all good. But if you really want me, move slow. Not get over. I need is time, only that is mine. Love in between. Then I realize that whoever was in your eyes, the moment you cry.
Oh, sige, try natin.
Hold you.
Sige, sa'yo mababa akin mataas.
Sige.
Try natin.
I try to see to get myself.
Diyos ko, eto ako nito.
Ilang taon ba?
Total na ako.
Ito dito. Ay, dito ba ako?
Kali.
And sorrow I say it's all because of you. Back together, together. I'll show you my heart's also true. And all I have is especially for you.
Take it away.
Especially for you.
Guys, ang ganda ng magkakanta. Sa kanya pa rin talaga.
Ah, ba yan? So, surprise ko kayo sa Keep Bleeding Love na yan.
Ito. Alam mo to, Chef?
Akala